Tiger Resources is focused on the discovery and development of high-grade copper-cobalt deposits in the world-renowned Katanga Copper Belt in the Democratic Republic of Congo, the DRC. There are around 30 copper projects in this region, including the world-class assets of Tenke Fungurume, Kolwezi, and the Kamoa project, one of the world's largest copper discoveries. The Katanga Copperbelt has experienced a significant wave of mergers and acquisition activity over the past 2 years, such as the recent $1.3 billion takeover of Anvil by MMG, the $1.4 billion takeover of Metarex by Jinchuan, and the $4.3 billion offer to acquire Lundin by Equinox. The latest development in this region is the Kipoi project, of which DRC state-owned mining entity Gécamines holds 40%. The remaining 60% interest is held by Tiger, a dual-listed company on the Australian Securities and Toronto Stock Exchanges, with a current market capitalisation of $209 million Australian dollars. Tiger's major shareholders include international commodities trader Trafigura and institutional investors Fidelity and Macquarie Bank. Tiger's experienced board is led by Neil Ferris, a commercial lawyer with nearly 30 years' experience in mergers and acquisitions. Brad Marwood has 26 years mining experience, with 16 years in development and operational roles across Africa. Rhett Brands is a civil engineer with more than 30 years of involvement in the development of numerous gold and base metal projects. David Constable is an exploration geologist and investor relations professional with extensive experience with companies based in Africa. Trafigura is represented on Tiger's board by Jesus Fernandez and Dion Garbers. Tiger's growth strategy is defined into 4 key phases, which will see the company emerge as a 100,000 tonnes per annum and beyond copper producer. The company's management team has already successfully executed Phase 1 of this strategy by bringing the Stage 1 HMS plant into production in an unprecedented timeframe for projects in the DRC. The HMS plant is now at nameplate production of 35,000 tonnes of copper in concentrate per annum, with the 39-month life of Stage 1 planned to end in July 2014. Tiger will reinvest the free cash flow from the low-capital, high-margin Stage 1 HMS operation into the Phase 2 growth strategy, the Stage 2 50,000 tonne per annum SXEW operation. Through exploration success at Kipoi and Lupoto, Tiger intends to expand the SXEW plant to 100,000 tonnes per annum of copper cathodes to achieve the Phase 3 growth objective. The Kipoi mining licence covers 55 square kilometres and hosts a high-grade resource of 812,000 tonnes of copper over just 3 of the 5 known deposits, including a high-grade mining reserve of 2.3 million tonnes, grading 6.8% for 158,000 tonnes of copper. Strong exploration potential exists to provide additional ore from the known copper mineralised targets at Judera and Kamina Fitway on the Kipoi project. The Kipoi Central deposit is also open at depth and to the west. The company's 100% owned Lupoto project, 10 kilometres south of Kipoi's southernmost boundary, presents the opportunity in the future to provide additional resources to Kipoi's SXEW facility. The Sase Central resource remains open along strike and at depth, with the potential for high-grade sulfide mineralisation at depth. In addition to Sase Central, Tiger will be returning to the Kampampala and Moana East prospects to continue exploration of these primary ore targets. Tiger employs more than 300 local Congolese at Kipoi, who are supported by an expatriate workforce of around 10 people. The company recognises its greater commitment to leave a sustainable future and is strongly motivated to make a real difference to the lives of the local people in the region in which it operates. In partnership with Edith Cowan University from Perth, Tiger has established RIM HOP, a training program targeting women's health, childbirthing and early child health care. The regions surrounding Kipoi have high rates of infant mortality, and through the initiatives Tiger is implementing, we aim to see a significant improvement in the life expectancy of Katanga's infant population.